Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel, you've created a bar chart, and you want to reverse the order on the category axis. So if you have a look at my data, these regions are in descending order of revenue. But when I created a bar chart, they appeared in ascending order of revenue. Now to fix this is really easy. All you need to do is double click on one of those category axis labels. That'll open up a Format Axis task pane on the right of your screen. You need to make sure the Axis Options button has been selected. It should be selected by default. And then if you look down here, there's an option, Categories in Reverse Order. If you tick that, the problem is fixed. Okay, that's what I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that is useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.